تعال نشوف. If I'm asking you, find the limit when x tends to 3, is it 3? Yes. For f of x. F of x is x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. What is the limit when x equal to 3? Can you answer me, please? Guys,
9.
how you get it 9?
Because we will change x square minus 9. It will be x minus 3 and x.
You factorize this one into x minus 3 times x plus 3.
Plus 3.
This is
And we have in the denominator
x,
x over
so you
3.
can have cancel out this one. Yes. So
X plus 3. Oh, sorry, it's 6.
3. So you have what?
6.
9. This question. Okay.
Doctor, it's 6.
6. Sorry, you said 9 in the beginning. Sorry. Sorry. Now I finished the first one. Next. So if you have the option to choose, you will choose what? The right answer is
6. 6.
So the right answer is C. So you just type C or choose C. Okay.
Doctors, again, please.
So take a screenshot for this one. Again, to answer this question, you factorize x squared minus 1 is a square difference. So x squared minus 1 can be factorized into x minus 3 times x plus 3. This is the main point here. When you factorize this one, you cancel out this x minus 3 with x minus 3, so you end up with x plus 3. When you substitute by x equal to 3, you have 3 plus 3, so it is 6. So the right answer is C. Now, can you find the vertical asymptote? Guys,
Doctor.
the vertical asymptote is what?
X equals
C.
The vertical asymptote, you put the denominator equal to 0. Vertical asymptote, you just take the denominator and put it equal to 0, so it will be x equal to what? 3. Section 3. He's asking you to write the MATLAB command to find the first derivative. Yes, how I can write the MATLAB command? First, I have to define the variables. So I'm just writing sims x semicolon and then I'm writing my function. So I write y equal to open bracket x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 So I define x and y. Next, how to write the command of the first derivative? Yes, it is def y, right? So I will go to the MATLAB just to check. Now I'm just writing sims. Define the symbol x semicolon. My f of x or y equal to open bracket, because I have the numerator as more than one piece, x squared minus 9, close the bracket for the denominator, divided by open bracket for the denominator, x minus 3 semicolon. What is the command? DIFF for what? For y. You need the first derivative, so this is enough to do this one. Enter. In the exam, you will write only the command. To have this one in the math mode, you just write pretty, open bracket, pretty for what? For the last thing, it's called ANS equal to. So I am writing. Now I have the right answer, right? So this is the command and the answer. Okay. I can take this one up. So this is how to write it down, the question, and how to handle. This is how to write if you have a paper, so you can write down your solution. But if you have MCQ, you just choose the right answer. If you would like to write, you can type. You will have space to type, right? Okay. Now I'll get the question and the whole answer. Okay.
Doctor, can I have a question?
Yes, go ahead.
In the exam, how will be the question? Same as it
Yes.
is?
Yes, this is why I'm giving you a sample of the questions. And at 12 o'clock, inshallah, you will have the practice to use something called Lockdown Browser. This program, you will download it, inshallah, at 12 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, doctor.
Thank you. Let's go for the next question. Find the limit when x tends to 2 for f of x equal to this number, right? Limit when x tends to 2 for the function 1776 equal to what? What is this limit? You have no x to substitute. This is a constant function, right? This is what? A constant function. F of x equal to 1776. If you would like to graph it, you will graph it like that. This is f of x, and you have f of x is constant. This is 1776. So y equal to 1776 is a horizontal line. So if you would like to have the limit when x equal to 2, for any x, you have the same value, right? So this limit is equal to the same number because it is constant function. Catch it? You have multiple choice. What is the right answer here?
B.
B. So the right answer is B. Okay? Easy?
والدكتور ما
دكتور.
شفت الشرح، طلع الشرح.
This is what I'm talking about. The function f of x equal to 1776, right, is a constant function. If y equal to constant, it is horizontal line, right? So the horizontal line has a slope equal to 0. So if you would like to have the limit at x equal to 2, x at any values is equal to this, y is equal to this value, 1776. So no x to substitute because y is fixed. So the right answer will be B, right? No need to graph. I graph it just to show it to you, right? And also I'm revising for someone he didn't attend the first two lectures, right? Now, let's go for the next one. Find the limit when x tends to 4 for f of x equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Limit. You're supposed to have a paper and pencil and calculator in the exam or at the lecture also. X tends to 4 for f of x. What's f of x? Ax squared plus bx plus c. You just substitute by x equal to 4. So what do you have? 16a plus, substitute 16a for b plus c, right? Okay, so this is how to find the limit. Okay, if you have a multiple choice, so the right answer will be what?
B.
B. So yes, in a quick way, you can get the answer, the right answer with this one. So the right answer is B.
دكتور كيف من الأربعة اللي حدال البي؟
4 square. So 16, 4x is equal to 4. So you substitute by x equal to 4. Okay. You just substitute by x equal to 4. So you have a 4 square is 16. X is 4, so 4 times b is 4b plus c. Okay. This question, find where the curve parallel to x-axis. How to find where how you solve this question? Can you think with me? What does it mean parallel to x-axis? It means the slope is equal to 0. The slope is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
So yes, I'm writing this one. The curve parallel to x-axis, f, the slope equal to 0. What is the slope? Do you remember what is the slope for the curve? Yes, dy by dx. Okay, so can we differentiate Can you differentiate dy by dx? When you differentiate, which is f dash of x, if you differentiate, what do you have? A is constant. Get the 2 down and subtract 1 from the power. So it is 2 minus 1 plus b. You get 1 down. X to the 1 minus 1. The derivative of any constant is 0, right? Okay, so this one is 2ax plus, this is 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So you have plus b. This is the slope, right? So the slope is equal to what?
0.
2ax. Why 0? The slope must be 0, yes. But here this is the slope. And because it is parallel to x-axis, so I will put this one equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay? So if you have 2ax plus b equal to 0, you can move this one to the other side. You have 2ax equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b over 2a. This is my x. This is where the curve parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now I would like to have y, sorry. So y will equal to a. I substitute x by minus b over 2a squared plus b, and x is minus b over 2a plus c. This is the y and this is the x, because any point in the Cartesian coordinate has x coordinate and y coordinates, right? So this is the x and y. And I solve, this is section 3. Section 2, sorry. There is no section 3 also. Okay. This is how to solve the question. Find the limit when x tends to a for f of x. What you are going to do? Just substitute, right? Limit when x tends to a for x minus 7. Can you factorize this one? If you cannot factorize it, leave it as it is. Now if I substitute by x equal to 8, what do you have? 8 squared minus plus 7 times 8 minus 120 over 8 minus 7. So you end up with 8 squared is 64 plus 7 times 8 is 56 minus 120. 8 minus 7 is 1. 64 plus 56 is 120. So you end up with 0 over 1. So the limit is equal to 0. Easy?
Yes.
Good. So catch a screenshot for this one. Now I finish my turn. I will ask some of you to solve the next question. Can you find the limit for this one when x tends to 2?
زين دكتور خلينا نجرب بروحنا.
This is what I said.